my grouper some pellets. See, he likes the pellets. Oh, see, look at my pellets. Take a look. Two. Yeah. 3. The last one. Oh, nice on that pellet. Nice. Oh, cute, huh?
So cute.
Yeah, I'm gonna feed him one whole piece of prawn. Think you finish this?
Yes.
Take a look at it. It's very fast, huh? Yeah, I have to feel from here. Feel from here. My left side. Go my left side. Go down. Okay, get ready, huh? Get ready, huh? Got it?
Ooh, so cute.
You see, it is thinner and long. You have a nice leaf here. Right, let's show the leaf in. Okay. What do you think happened to the leaf? Everybody's looking at it. But one fish will go in to the leaf. What do you think? Okay. Let's see. The fish coming. Oh, the fish is coming. See? Look. See the grummy? Nice. Gonna feed him some more pellets. You can see he just likes the pellets. Ready? So fast, and that's super fast. Ready? Go. Ready? Yeah. Wow. Bumblebee Grouper. Go check it. See who's next. Aku it. Oh, mango check it again. Bango edit. Nanti. Oh, aku it. Is anyone wants to eat this cake?
Okay.
The